Hey everyone, welcome to Verse Up. Today we're diving into Bitch, I'm Madonna by the one and only Madonna. A playful track filled with language that shows how English is used in real, everyday conversations. This song is full of slang and expressions that capture attitude, confidence, and a carefree vibe. We'll start by listening to a short clip, then I'll break down the key expressions. After that, you'll take a quick test. And finally, you'll hear a short story that uses all these new terms. Let's jump right in.
We hit the elevator right up to the rooftop. The bass is pumping, make me wanna screw the top off. Yeah, we'll be drinking and nobody's gonna stop us. And we'll be kissing anybody that's around us.
Let's start with the verb to hit. Here, it means to go to a specific place, usually for fun or leisure. Madonna uses it to show that she and her crew are heading straight to the party spot, full of energy. In everyday life, you might say, after work, we're gonna hit the gym for a quick workout. Or, let's hit the beach this weekend and relax by the water. Next up is rooftop. This is simply the top surface of a building, but in urban culture, it often means a stylish, exclusive hangout spot. Mentioning a rooftop here sets the scene. It's high above the city, giving the party that cool VIP vibe. You might hear, they threw an amazing party on the rooftop overlooking the skyline. Or, I love having coffee on the rooftop when the weather is nice. Now, let's talk about bass. This is the low-pitched part of music that you don't just hear. You feel it vibrating through your body. In clubs or parties, heavy bass instantly amps up the energy and makes people want to move. Here, it signals that the party is in full swing. For example, turn up the bass, I can feel it shaking the floor. Or, this track has such heavy bass, it feels like a heartbeat in your chest. That leads us to pump. The literal meaning is to push something back and forth, like pumping air. But in music slang, it means a pulsing or vigorous beat, repeating strongly, almost like a heartbeat. The song uses it to capture that unstoppable energy blasting from the speakers. You could say, you could feel the energy as the music kept pumping through the speakers. Next, we've got to screw something off. Literally, this means to twist something off, like opening a jar or a bottle. In the song, though, it's playful and even a little suggestive. Madonna's using it to show the vibe of cracking open drinks and turning the party's energy up. In real life, you might hear, he screwed the lid off the jar and handed it to me. Or, we screwed the top off the champagne and started celebrating. That connects perfectly to the top. Here, it simply means the cover or lid of a container, like a bottle cap. The reference to unscrewing the top ties directly to the idea of drinking and letting loose. For example, don't lose the top of the water bottle. Or, she unscrewed the top and poured some juice. Speaking of drinks, let's look at to drink. In this context, we're not talking about water or soda. In a party and having fun context, this means consuming alcoholic beverages, not just any liquid. For instance, we went out to drink and celebrate her promotion. Or, they were drinking all night at the wedding reception.
I just wanna have fun tonight. Talk the shit to the Rihanna, the flashing light. Let me blow up this house tonight.
Now let's talk about flashing light. These are those bright lights that blink on and off rapidly. Think strobe lights in a club or on a stage. Mentioning flashing lights instantly brings that wild, glamorous nightclub vibe to mind. For instance, the stage was lit with flashing lights during the concert. Or, strobe lights and flashing lights created a hypnotic effect on the dance floor. Now let's look at to blow up. Literally, this means to explode, but in party slang, it refers to making something wild, exciting, and unforgettable. It can also mean to become very popular or successful, especially online or in entertainment. When Madonna says it, she's hyping up the idea of turning the party into something everyone will remember. You might say, their new single really blew up on social media. Or, let's blow up this place tonight and make it legendary. Next is hard. as in go hard. This slang means doing something with full energy and intensity. It's like saying, if you're going to do it, give it everything you've got. For example, she trains hard every day to stay in shape. Or, if we're doing this, we're going all in, we're going hard. That ties directly into the idiom to go hard or go home. This phrase is a twist on go big or go home, meaning you either give your absolute best effort or don't even bother. In the song, it's all about being 100% committed to having fun. The phrase became especially popular in hip-hop, with rapper E40 helping to push it into mainstream culture. You might hear someone say, it's the championship game. Go hard or go home. Finally, let's look at freaky. This slang describes something unconventional, wild, or sexually adventurous. In pop culture, it often carries a bold or kinky vibe. Here, it's about being open to wild, uninhibited fun. For example, they like to keep things freaky in the bedroom. Or, that costume party was so freaky, people wore the weirdest outfits.
We hit the elevator right up to the rooftop. The bass is pumping, make me wanna screw the top off. Yeah, we'll be drinking and nobody's gonna stop us. And we'll be kissing anybody that's around us. I just wanna have fun tonight. Talk the shit to the Rihanna, the flashing light. Let me blow up this house tonight. Blow. We go hard or we go home. We gon' do this all night long. We get freaky if you want. Nah, 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 nah. We go hard or we go home. We gon' do this all night long. We get freaky if you want. Bitch, I'm Madonna.
Last weekend, we decided to hit a popular rooftop bar downtown. The bass was so strong you could feel it, and the music kept pumping nonstop. Someone screwed the top off a bottle, and soon we were all ready to drink and enjoy the night under the flashing lights. Everyone was going hard, dancing with full energy. The party was definitely going to blow up online because of the great vibe. Someone said, go hard or go home. And the fun got a little freaky as people showed off wild moves. From the first beat to the very top of the night, it was unforgettable. That's it for today's breakdown. I hope you enjoyed learning these cool expressions and feel more confident using them in real conversations. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Verse Up for more fun English lessons through music. I'll see you in the next one.